Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to download Armbian for the Orange Pi freebie, or for any Orange Pi that you want to install Armbian on. So we go to armbian.com/Orange Pi freebie here. If your version is different, feel free to go to the page here and find your version. You can just go to the general purpose here, and you have a lot of boards here. But for this example, we'll just do it for the Orange Pi freebie. Okay, so you're on the page here, and you have some options. You have the minimal one, dedicated applications, bookworm. I found that the Debian 12, the bookworm, is the most stable one. It never gave me any troubles on the Orange Pi freebie, so let's choose this one. So first, just click download here, and it will just download. Next, we will need to basically burn this on the SD card, on the micro SD, and then just insert it into the Orange Pi freebie. Okay, nice, it downloaded. So the next thing that we'll need is we'll need an app called Balena Etcher, or if you prefer another app, you can use another app. We'll just go to etcher.balena.io. If you don't have this, just click on download Etcher. Once you've installed Balena Etcher, go ahead and open it. Okay, now here in Balena Etcher, click here on Flash from File. Make sure you insert your SD card via the SD card reader to your computer. So click here and choose the Armbian image here. Double click, select target. You'll select your SD card. For me, it's this generic mass storage media. You click it, select, and just flash. If you need a password, put your computer password. Okay, now it's starting. Okay, skipping forward. The flash is complete. If you're on a Mac, actually I think this is on Windows as well. But if you get this message, the disk you attached was not readable by this computer, do not click initialize. Just click ignore. If you click initialize, it might mess up the SD card. So just click ignore. Your job is done. Take the SD card out and put it into the Orange Pi.